की उपलब्धियां कैसे रही हैं और क्या मोदी सरकार का विजन अगले 5 साल रहने वाला है। आपातकाल, संविधान पर हमला था, यानी कि इमरजेंसी का जिक्र भी उन्होंने किया। फिलहाल उपराष्ट्रपति जगदीप धनखड़ को सुनिए।
ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट्स एड्रेस and the rest may be considered as read. Honorable members, I extend my heartiest congratulations and best wishes to all the newly elected members of the 18th Lok Sabha. I wish Sri Om Birla ji the very best for performing his exalted role as the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Honorable members, I also express my gratitude to the Election Commission of India on behalf of crores of Indians today. This was the largest election in the world. The Kashmir Valley has broken all records of voter turnout in decades. Honorable members, the world is witnessing that the people of India have elected a stable government with clear majority consecutively for third term. Honorable members, this Lok Sabha will also witness to the 75th year of adoption of the Constitution of India. Honorable members, the resolve to perform, reform and transform has made India the fastest growing economy in the world today. In 10 years, India has risen to become the 5th largest economy from being an 11th ranked economy. Honorable members, in the last 10 years, my government has given great emphasis on every aspect of rural economy. To enable farmers to meet their small expenses, more than rupees 3,20,000 crore have been disbursed to them under PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. Honorable members, the future belongs to Harit Yug or Green Era. My government has increased the allocation for the development of Northeastern region by more than 4 times in the last 10 years. The government is working to make this region a strategic gateway under its Act East policy. Honorable members, my government, which is committed to women-led development, has started a new era of women empowerment. Today, they stand empowered by the enactment of Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam. Honorable members, Baba Sahib Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar said, I quote, progress of any society depends on the progress of the poorest sections of the society, unquote. Empowerment of the poor has been at the foundation of the achievements and progress of the nation in the last 10 years. Honorable members, often due to adversarial mindset and narrow selfishness, the basic spirit of democracy has been greatly undermined. It affects the parliamentary system as well as development journey of the nation. The people of India have now changed this situation by their decisive mandate. Honorable members, modernization of our armed forces is essential for a strong India In the last decade, our defense exports have increased more than 18 times to the level of rupees 21,000 crore.
छोटा सा ब्रेक ले रहे हैं, जल्द हाजिर होते हैं।
एक साथ 67 बच्चे टॉपर करते हैं तो सवाल है, आप परीक्षा से